Hello everyone, so I think the last time I updated you guys was when I was like filling up my closet over there. So now all my clothes are inside, and that was last weekend, and today is Saturday, the next weekend. And yeah, today I'm planning to get everything that is in my other room to this room. So my skincare, hair products, makeup, extra gadgets, books, whatever, and I'm gonna try to fill up that shelf over there, those two. And I also have this little like shelf thingy here to like fill up stuff. But yeah, today I'm gonna try to get everything done, get some decorating done, and yeah, let's get some work done. Just a quick update of what my room looks like. So when you come in, my bed is right here, and that's just a box there, but I'm gonna move that. My table's a little messy, but I'm gonna have to fix that today. So I'm gonna try to fill that up today, and also these two shelves. This over here is still like supposed to be moved to my sister's room, but right now she's just leaving it here. Same with that one. These will be gone when my room is fully done. But yeah, it's a pretty basic room, nothing too crazy. So the first thing I have to do is go get everything and just put it all on my bed and then sort everything out. I'll just start with this batch. These are all my like skincare or hair care stuff. Yes, I have a bunch of face masks, as you can see. But yeah, and some of my bags. So I'm gonna put this, I think skincare and hair care is gonna be on that bottom drawer. But yeah, I think I'll separate them. Top one would probably be like skincare, bottom would be the hair care, and I'm not sure about the very bottom stage yet, but yeah. So I finished filling up this little clear shelf, and I'll show you guys what I did. Over here is all my skincare, face masks, and all that kind of products. And then second row is like hairspray, hair products. Yeah, and the last one is just my curler and my dryer. And yeah, that's really it with my shelf. I'm gonna put this under my desk, and now I'm gonna work on figuring out where I put the bags, and I'm gonna take more stuff out on my bed. Let me show you guys some of my progress. So for now, I'm just leaving that up there, but I think for this part, I'm gonna have to buy some like adhesive like stickies to like hang stuff there, so I'm leaving that big. And then I have my books there. I have way more, but I just put some there. And then over here, I'm gonna hang my medals, so I also need some like hang stuff to like put them up. There are my nail polish stuff and nail care, my contacts, my sunglasses and like glasses stuff. I have my camera gear or camera stuff there, and just a box of like all decorations and arts and crafts stuff. For that corner is just kind of like anything that I need to put there that doesn't have a space yet. But yeah, that's basically what I did. And right now I am enjoying my fried rice that my mom made. And yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on the lighting in my closet. There used to be this light that I use in the closet, but it doesn't really fit in there and there's no space. And I'm scared that if I like put it on the ledge over there, see right there, it might like, I don't know, burn out my clothes or something. So then I have these like Christmas lights, I guess, or fairy lights-ish that I can put in the closet maybe. So I'm gonna try to like hang it up and see if it lights up my closet. And yeah, I'm gonna do it right now since there is daylight right now, so let's go. I put it up. I kind of just put it across and then across from the front here. It's kind of what it looks like. Show the other side. Kind of lights up my closet. It probably isn't the best way to like light up my closet and like be able to see my clothes at night, but it's way better than that light because that light was just too big. But I'll probably find another way to light up my closet eventually, but for now I think this is fine. It looks really pretty though. Now I'm gonna continue and add some decorations into my room. Any anime fans? So here's the update on where I put my posters. So I put one piece, big one over here, just above my bed. I also put like a dream catcher there, but I might move that. It doesn't look that good there, but for now I'll leave it there. And then I put my Ace poster above my desk. I'm gonna have something actually put there. That's why I put it more to the side, but coming soon. But yeah, that will be over there. And then I just have like another anime one here, Cardcaptor Sakura, and then another One Piece art thing here. I might move that one, but I don't know yet because I'm gonna have my mirror here, but I can't order my mirror yet because it was out of stock. So I really wanted this like standing mirror from IKEA that has like wooden sides, and I went to IKEA, but they're out of stock until like October 20 something. So it'll be a while until I can get it, but when I get it, I'm gonna put it over here, and then I'll see if that poster is fine over there, but I might move it. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I just put up my posters, and now my room looks more decorated. I also put up, I mean not put up, but I just put my like Russian dolls over there, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna see what else I could put in my room for now, but yeah. Hello everyone, so let me show you guys some of the changes I've done since the last update. So I only made changes to my shelves. For the big one that I had before, I put 2 adhesive like hooks to put up my hats. So that's there. And then yeah, those are my hats. And then down here I put a few of my books. I have way more books and stuff, but I just like to put a little bit, not too many. So that's what I have here. And it's just a nice fidget spinner to just add some decoration to it. My contact stuff like before, and my glasses like before, camera, and like arts and crafts stuff down there. And that's just a random one, and I showed you that last time as well. Same with these ones. For the top one here, I placed my One Piece like figures and Ace picture here. And I have like a One Piece book in the back too. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And then down here I placed 3 adhesive hooks, and I put my medals on there. I have my Nationals trophy thingy. Yeah, that's basically all that I changed in this room. But today I'll be actually setting up my standing mirror, so I'm excited for that and also kind of scared for it, but hopefully that goes well. And yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I finally got my mirror, as you can see. Let me find another angle. So there's my mirror. I'm gonna start unpacking it and then figuring out how to build it. Okay, first let me get this off. we assembled it, and hopefully we didn't crack the mirror or anything. We're gonna now lift it up and put it in this spot right there. But how do we put it in that way? That way. Like this. Yay! Okay guys, so I finally got the mirror up over there. I just placed it there. And yeah, I'm really happy with how my room looks right now. Of course, in the course of a few months, I'll definitely change some things, add more decorations and stuff. But for now, I think this is pretty good for the first time of like trying to make my own room, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna show you guys one more big shot of my room. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications to be notified when I post my next video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!